Click on the link below to get price. The 24V 50A pickup truck alternator, identified by model numbers such as ATG19048, 12748, 12748N 10R2576, and 343-680-2300, is an automotive component designed for reliability in various pickup truck applications. When considering the importance of a dependable alternator, it becomes clear that this model aims to fulfill the demands of both regular drivers and those who rely heavily on their vehicles for work purposes. This alternator operates at 24 volts and delivers a current output of 50 amps, making it suitable for a range of pickup trucks that require an efficient power source to support their electrical systems. Alternators play a crucial role in recharging the vehicle's battery while simultaneously powering electrical accessories, such as headlights, radios, and air conditioning systems. The construction of the 24V 50A alternator is noteworthy. It features durable materials that are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The alternator is engineered to produce a consistent electrical output, which can help to ensure that the truck's battery remains charged under various driving conditions. This reliability can be particularly beneficial for those who use their pickup trucks for heavy-duty tasks, where electrical demands may fluctuate. Installation of this alternator is intended to be straightforward, aligning with standard specifications for pickup trucks. However, it is recommended to consult the vehicle's manual or seek assistance from a professional mechanic, particularly for those who may be unfamiliar with alternator replacement. Proper installation is critical to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the component. As drivers evaluate their need for a replacement alternator, it is essential to consider the overall health of the vehicle's electrical system. The 24V 50A alternator offers a viable option for those looking to enhance or replace their existing unit. It is advisable to assess compatibility with specific truck models and ensure that the electrical demands of the vehicle are met. In conclusion, the 24V 50A pickup truck alternator serves as a robust solution for maintaining the electrical integrity of pickup trucks. Its reliable performance and thoughtful construction make it a suitable choice for various applications, contributing to the overall efficiency of the vehicle. As with any automotive part, thorough research and careful consideration are recommended to ensure the best fit for individual needs.